हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो बेटा आप सब लोग। टुडे वी डिस्कस यूनिट नंबर 2 काइनेमेटिक्स, lecture number 10. In the previous lecture we study about differentiation, or we say that derivative. What is differentiation and different types of rules of the differentiation, how to differentiation rules apply in the mathematics, we already discussed in the previous lecture. But the differentiation concept is how to utilize to find out the speed, velocity, or acceleration. By the help of differentiation, we calculate the instantaneous speed, instantaneous velocity, instantaneous acceleration. So one by one, how to differentiation is utilized in physics and different types of numerical. Today we solve on the basis of differentiation property. So question number 1 on the screen. Question 1 on the screen, that is, a body is moving in a straight line along x-axis. Its distance from origin is given by equation x equal to 8t minus t square, where x is in meter and t is in second. Find the average speed of the object at the time interval when t equal to 0 and t equal to 2 seconds. Calculate its instantaneous speed at t equal to 2 seconds. So that is the statement according to question. Say that a body is moving along straight line and that distance equation is x equal to 8t minus t square. So find the average speed at interval t equal to 0 to t equal to 2 seconds, or calculate its instantaneous speed. Okay student, so one by one. Case number 1, first situation, when t equal to 0, in that case x naught is also equal to 0. Initial position object is lie in rest. Okay, when t equal to 2, substitute the value of t equal to 2 in above equation, then x equal to 8 into 2 minus 2 ka square, and that solution is 12 meter. So what is the change in distance at time interval 0 to 2 seconds? So we say that delta x, that is x minus x naught, that is 12 minus 0, that is 12 meter. So what is the change of time? That is 2 minus 0, that is 2 seconds. So we know very well the average speed in given time interval is V average, that value will be equal to delta x upon delta t. We know very well what is delta x, that is 12. We know very well what is delta t, that is 2. If we cancel 2 by 12, that value will be equal to 6 meter per second. So that will represent the average speed. We calculate another factor, that is instantaneous speed at 2 seconds. So we know very well velocity, or we say that speed, that value will be equal to dx upon dt. Derivative of distance with respect to time, that is also called as speed. So d by dt, substitute the value of x, that is 8t minus t square. Apply the derivative rule. 8 constant outside, d by dt of t minus d by dt of t square. Apply the rule, power rule. 8 same, t की power 1 forward, power minus 1, t की power 1 minus 1, t की power 0, something power 0, that is 1. That's why dt और dt आपके पास क्या हो गया, 1 हो गया. t square power rule, power forward, power minus 1, so 2 t 2 minus 1, so we write 8 minus 2t, that is the speed. According to question, instantaneous speed at time equal to 2 seconds, substitute the value of 2, that solution will be equal to 4 meter per second. ओके स्टूडेंट, तो ये आपके पास फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है. Next question say that a body moves in a straight line along x-axis. Its displacement from the origin at any time is given by, displacement is given by, that equation is x equal to 8t minus 3t square. According to question, displacement is given by, it means we cannot find out the speed, we find out the velocity. So question statement further forward say that calculate the average velocity. क्वेश्चन क्या कहता है आपके पास कि आपको क्या करना है, कैलकुलेट करना है. कैलकुलेट द एवरेज वेलोसिटी in time interval t equal to 0 to t equal to 2 seconds. Similar process. Find the instantaneous velocity of body at the instant when t equal to 0, when t equal to 2 seconds, and when t equal to 4 seconds. So similar method we apply and solve it. That is, according to question, displacement equation, that is x equal to 8t minus 3t square. Calculation of average velocity when interval t equal to 0 to t equal to 2 seconds. When t equal to 0, in that case x is 0, we know. When t equal to 2, substitute the value of 2 in given equation, then x equal to 8 into 2 minus 3 into 2 ka square, that is 4, and that solution is 4 meter. So we calculate the average velocity. So we write x distance. We also say that displacement at 2 seconds and displacement at 0. So 4 minus 0 divided by time difference delta t, that is 2 minus 0, and that solution is 2 meter per second. Similarly, we calculate the instantaneous velocity. V instantaneous, that value will be equal to dx upon dt. Substitute the value of x, 8t minus t minus 3t square. So वापिस से डिफरेंशिएशन रूल अप्लाई करोगे तो 8 आगे कांस्टेंट बार डिफरेंशिएशन, t का डिफरेंशिएशन 1 पावर रूल, तो 8 into 1 माइनस 3t स्क्वायर का डिफरेंशिएशन 3 कांस्टेंट, पावर फॉरवर्ड पावर माइनस 1, तो 3 into 2 t की पावर 2 minus 1. So that solution is instantaneous velocity. If any student doubt how to differentiation calculate 8t and minus 3 t square, so previous two lecture number 8 and lecture number 9, you seen it, observe the differentiation property, then solve it. So according to the question, at t equal to 0, substitute the value of 0 in given equation, then solution is 8 meter per second. At t equal to 2 seconds, substitute the value of 2. At t equal to 4 seconds, substitute the value of 4, and that is your given solution. Okay, student. So next question, important question, problem 1. Question says that the displacement of a particle moving in one dimension under the action of a constant force is related to time t by given t equal to root x plus 3, where x is in meter and t is in second. Find the displacement of the particle when its velocity is 0. Find the displacement of the particle. पार्टिकल को डिस्प्लेसमेंट फाइंड आउट करनी है जब वेलोसिटी 0 है. इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, ध्यान से समझिएगा. इट मींस वी कैलकुलेट द डिस्प्लेसमेंट. ओके, सो see the question. When according to given equation, that is t equal to root plus 3, we calculate the x from that equation. So we rewrite root x, 3 move to the left side, so write t minus squaring both sides. So square of root x, that is x. So square of t minus 3. Apply the rule a minus b का whole square, that is a square plus b square plus a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we apply, that is t square plus 3 का square minus 2ab, 2 into 3 into t. So that equation you rewrite in order. So write x equal to t square minus 60 plus 9. We calculate the instantaneous velocity. In that case, we know very well dx upon dt. Differentiation, substitute the value of x. So d by dt of t square minus 60 plus 9. T square का differentiation power forward power minus 1. So power forward 2, t की power 2 minus 1, that is 2t. Minus 6 outside, t का differentiation 1, that means 6 into 1, 6. 9 is constant, constant का differentiation 0. So V instantaneous equal to 2t minus 6. According to question, velocity of particle is 0. It means V instantaneous is 0. Substitute the value of V instantaneous equal to 0. So 2t minus 6 equal to 0. So 2t equal to 6. So t equal to 3 seconds. It means at the time of 3 seconds, the velocity is 0. At the time of 3 seconds, the velocity is 0. But according to question, find the displacement. So we know very well displacement equation, that is x t square minus 6t plus 9. At what time velocity 0? That is 3 seconds. Substitute the value of 3. So 3 square 9 minus 6 3 ja 18 plus 9. So 9 or 9, 18. 18 to 18 cancel, that will be equal to 0. So at displacement 0, velocity is also 0. Next question. Question says that related to the acceleration topic. Okay, student. So see carefully. The displacement of a particle starting from rest equal to 0 is given by x equal to 3t square minus 3 cube. Calculate the time at which acceleration of the particles becomes 0. According to question, displacement is given and we find out, calculate the time when acceleration of the particles becomes 0. So that is the given equation, that is x equal to 3t square minus 3 cube. So that is the given equation. For differentiation, the equation 1 both sides with respect to time. So we know very well velocity, that is dx upon dt. So differentiation of displacement with respect to time, that is velocity. So d by dt, t 3t square minus t cube. Apply the differentiation rule. 3 constant, t square का differentiation power forward power minus 1, that is 60, minus t cube का differentiation power forward power minus 1, that is 3t square. Again, differentiation the equation second with respect to time, that means differentiation of velocity with respect to time, that is acceleration. So d by dt, what is velocity? 6t minus 3t square. So differentiation on it, t का differentiation 1, so 6 minus t 3t square power forward power minus 1, 6t. According to question, when acceleration is 0, substitute a equal to 0, then 6 minus 60 equal to 0. So 60 equal to 6 and t equal to 1 second. So in that case, when time equal to 1, then acceleration of particles becomes 0. Okay, student. Next question. Next question says that the velocity of particle is given by the equation v equal to 2t square plus 5 centimeter per second. According to question, given equation for the case of velocity. Question says that the change in velocity of particle during the time interval between t1 equal to 2 seconds to 4 seconds. Time interval between 2 seconds to 4 seconds. In that case, what is the velocity? Second parameter, we calculate the average acceleration during the same interval. And third, the instantaneous acceleration at the 4 seconds. Okay, so you also very well and solve similar process. According to the question, given equation of velocity, that is v equal to 2t square plus 5. So we know very well at the time t1, that is 2 seconds, substitute the value of 2, that solution is 30. At the time t2, that value will equal to 4, substitute the value of 4, that solution 37. So first point say that change in velocity. Change in velocity. It means velocity at t1 or velocity at t2. So differentiation of velocity v2 minus v1, that solution is 24. We calculate average acceleration. Average acceleration is also equal to change in velocity upon change in time. So v2 minus v1 upon t2 minus t1, that is 37 minus 30 divided by 4 minus 2, that solution will be 12. We calculate instantaneous acceleration. We know in the previous question we also solved. A equal to dv by dt. So d by dt, substitute the value of v, that is 2t square plus 5. So differentiation of it, power forward, power minus 1. So 2, power forward, so 2 into 2, that is 4. T, 2 minus 1, that is t. 5 is constant, derivative constant, 0. So A equal to 40. At time 4 seconds, according to question, then substitute the value of t equal to 4, then acceleration will be 16 centimeters per second square. Okay, student. Similar. That is the example 3. तो ये आपके पास बेटा क्वेश्चन है. You try yourself, solve it, and send it. Write and send or comment the answer of that question. Okay, student. And similarly, next question you also solve it. That is problem 9. So these two questions you try yourself and comment your answer. Okay, student. So बेटा आज का लेक्चर हम यहीं ओवर करते हैं. Tomorrow lecture we discuss about the integration property. Okay, student. Thank you and have a nice day, beta.